Hello everybody and welcome to this MindView tutorial from Biggerplate.com. In this tutorial I'm going to show you just some of the formatting options within the MindView software to really make your mind maps look and feel the way you want to. So let's take a look in there now. So when formatting our map, we can kind of think about it in two ways perhaps. One is the sort of the total map style, and then the other is the individual topic formatting. So first of all, let's have a look at the map style overall. So the first thing to say is there are a lot of really great predefined themes or styles within MindView that can apply global changes to your mind map appearance with the click of a button. If we come up into menu, the main menu, and then click design, you'll see here we've got this predefined area for styles where they've got lots of options in here that's going to apply an entire style to my mind map. So if I zoom out on my map just a little bit so you can see the change take place, if I come up here I can change that, and what it's doing is just applying a change across the entire map based on these predefined formats and styles. So if I click off that, it's just going to go back to where I was. So we've got up there a really great way of changing the entire design of the map to something that suits our preferences very quickly, and again that's going to apply to the whole map. Other little things we can do that are going to sort of appear in the whole map design is things like changing the background. So we can come up to menu again and say design, and then just come a little bit further across into properties where we've got a couple of different options here, but I just want to show you things like changing the page color, which is really the background color of your mind map. So again, without committing to anything, if I hover over the MindView, is just going to show me what that looks like, which is a really nice way of just again getting a sense of how you're going to want that map to look. And we can also, if we want to, add even a pattern to the background, and again a huge range of predefined patterns and sort of different colors that you can apply to your map, again to just suit whatever sort of style and effect you're looking for your particular document. So there's a couple of quick ways we can format the map style to suit our personal preference, or maybe even our brand. But other ways we can start to personalize the map is through individual topic or branch formatting. So to do that, we've got maybe a couple of things to think about. One is the text and the other is the topic shape itself. So in terms of formatting text, again, as you might expect, we can come up here into the main menu and say format. And just over on the left here, we've got all of our sort of pretty familiar feeling options to change both the font itself, the size of the font, and again we can then start to get into things like the color. We've got bold, italics, all the rest that we might want to do. So lots of options to edit the font and the text within our topics. And then what about the topics, the branches itself? Well, we've got lots of options here again, as you would expect in software like MindView. So we can look at the fill color, the shape of the topic, the outline color, and the lines itself. So for example, if we come up here and say format, we've got a lot of different options here for the branch. So we can say let's change the fill color to be maybe one of these kind of reddish or maybe a green color. And then we've got things like actually changing the shape of that topic itself, which is here under branch shape. So we can go for this this shape here, or these different ones, circular, whatever we might choose as our preference. And then again, we've got options to change the color of the outline, the width. So again, we could just choose some different colors here, change the width to maybe be something a bit heavier. Lots of different ways to personalize and customize the map to our choice, including things as simple as well as changing the lines that are joining up the topic. So again, if I make this a red line here, and we again can maybe just make it a bit heavier so it stands out. You see here very, very quickly, we've just done a number of different things to our topic to make that a little bit more personal. Of course, if I select multiple topics at once, I can apply those changes to more than one topic at one time. So you don't have to do individual topic by topic. You can apply changes to a set of topics all at one time using the formatting menu. So that's it for this tutorial, hopefully showing you lots of simple ways you can format your MindView maps very quickly and easily. For more MindView templates, tutorials and training, please feel free to visit biggerplate.com, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube.